Hello everyone, my name is Barbara and I'm a Polish girl who lives in Ireland and likes to knit, and today I'm going to show you my finished object, which are socks. Okay, first things first, what I'm wearing, because you're probably asking those questions underneath the video. So here on the screen about my sweater, right, so you can find the link down below, and on my head a lovely hat that I knitted with Knit Create yarn one day, and I called Morpho because blue Morpho because butterfly, that's the name of the yarn. Link in the bar down below. So if you watch my episode, I think 53, so it's a little bit longer video that I do. Approximately I'm chatting for almost an hour, what I'm knitting, some giveaways, some cals, knit-alongs and stuff like that. You may have noticed that I had these socks. I don't have these socks as far as here. So I just finished the heel and the rest. Okay, so first, if you know the drill, I'm going to tell you what tools I used and I'll tell you how I knitted this. It is plain vanilla, so nothing special. Right, first things first, I use this amazing bag. This is a bag by one of the viewers, Suzanne, who spoiled me rotten, and one day she sent me a parcel. Lately she sent me a parcel too with a beautiful hat. If you haven't watched it, check it out, this video. So yeah, I'm using it, I'm loving it, and I have also a thing for my needles, which I'm using, and I have in the drawer. Needles I used. And I need to open up something else because I have different socks on the needles. So here it is, they're Hiya interchangeable. I put the link down below if you're interested to get these. Those sharp tips and cable, separately sock cable. And I'm using my Christmas pouch, Knitting I Love pouch, or anything that it's gift knitting, or my Christmas gift knitting. So basically this is it. This is a gift knitting, bought more for Christmas. So I'm going to hide it, pack it. It's going to be so I'm happy about it. Hope it will fit. And what yarn? Oh yeah, did I tell you about needles? It's US size 1, 2.25 millimeters. I like that size. I knit all socks with that, with those needles. I just cast on less or more stitches, basically what it is. So the same tools and different things. Okay, on the screen yarn, probably while I'll be editing this video, I'll be putting stuff on RAVELRY and I will know hopefully more. This is Opal. And Opal here have like 3 information. So we have Opal, which is Hershof Olive. This little drawing over here. And then, although we have here fruity and I don't know, something fresh and juicy, so maybe that's something. But then you have actually Farbe, so I presume in German is color, 9366. So which one is right? What I like about Opal, it gives you an idea how the socks knit up, so you will know do you like it or not. And it did knit up the way it shows. Yes, it did. 75% virgin wool and 25% polyamide. And the yardage is, it's a 4-ply, so basically 4 little threads are twisted. But the yard is 100 gram, which is 425 meters. That's a lot, normally it's 400. Drops has 420, so yeah, maybe the same. Right, so I think that's all. Have you knitted with Opal before? I don't think I did. I don't recall it. I knitted quite a lot of socks now actually, and I won't be able to wear it myself, but I have another ball and that ball is for me, so I'm going to knit it just to see how it acts after washing, because what I do, that's why I knit with commercial yarns, because I like to put it into the washing machine for a wool cycle. Right, contrast color heels. Here it is, as you can see, that little lovely kind of navy color. These are leftovers from Wool and the Gang. Woo! And here on the screen you can see socks that I knitted with them, and I gifted these socks to my cousin, so she's enjoying it and they fit her. How I knitted these. I kind of lately am going with the same routine. I'm casting on 12 stitches per needle. I'm using magic loop 2 at a time, so I have 24 over here overall, right? And I'm just increasing, doing along to finishing when I think I can't knit anymore. And I'm just doing a ribbing. With obviously men's socks, I need to push myself even more, even though I want to finish way earlier. So that's that. And yeah, I want them to match, and look at me. How proud are you? Tell me down below. See them? So what I did, you normally get them in a bowl. I'll show you. So here is the color for myself. So normally you get it in the bowl like this. So what I do, I take the band and I just wind it, and I take the end from the outside because it's tangled so many times. Better be safe than sorry. Once I get a one big cake, I take the end from the inside and I round it up again. So I'm getting 2 skeins 50 grams and I chop it off. I'm pulling from the inside of both of them and trying to find a matching color. And then when I think that's the color I want, I go an extra try with the other color just to make sure that I'm right. It happens once through all my socks history that it did not match. It flipped, which was, I don't know, maybe the socks were designs to you start one and you over, I don't know. But as you can see, it works with these, and I can show you how much I had to take from those 2 50 grams. So from one cake I had to search until I end up with this, with the other one that much. But no worries, I still have some leftovers. So don't afraid to do that even for an adult socks. These are for European 42, so maybe on the screen I'll show you UK size. Then what I like to do afterthought heel. I was a fan of Fish Lips Kiss heel, but while you're knitting you have to reverse and you have to work flat, and then you're joining again together. And for me, socks, I want them to be a mindless knitting, so I don't have to pay attention too much about it. I love the way they work or they fit on the feet. Whoever I'm gifting them, they're shocked that I made something for them. That's the first thing. And second of all, that if they hear how long it takes to knit a pair of socks, that's just, I think, mind-blowing, and I think it gives you a bonus so they know how much you love them. And basically during that time, longer you knit those socks, these socks were loved by you for longer. So I think they have like a special magical features. So if you're a slow knitter, that means that your ones are more special, I would say. I think that's all, no worries. During the episode 53, so my last episode, I have knitted the finished 3 socks. So these were my first. I still have to show you 2, and I have another one on the go. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to use #knittingalove. Show me what you're knitting. If you wouldn't mind, write down below any interesting sock pattern that you have knitted lately. I would love to browse through it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me because I have more to show, and I hope to see you next one. Bye! Yes, and don't forget to go and meet me on Instagram. Just in case you're wondering how I store my leftovers, so I do this. Stapler. Doesn't go anywhere.